Soya sausages on toast. Hello friends, this is Chef Siddharth and I welcome you to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. Today I am going to prepare a veg recipe. Very simple to prepare. So let's note down what all we'll require for this. Soya sausages, chopped garlic, chili flakes, salt, onion sliced, chopped fresh coriander, multigrain bread, olive oil. So let's start preparing our delicious toast. To start with, some olive oil into a hot pan. I'll put some sliced onions. Saute this. Now it's time to add some chopped garlic. Now we'll saute this. Now I have already preheated a tawa. Now on it I'll keep some multigrain bread. You need to toast this. Now till the time our onion is getting sauteed, I'll chop some soya sausages. This sausage is made of soya, so this is a better option for any vegetarians. Now they can even enjoy their sausages. Chop this roughly. Now as you can see, our onion is light brown in color. It's time to add our sausages. Now we'll saute this again. Now let's check on our bread, nice and crispy as well as brown in color. Now I'll add some salt, some chili flakes. Mix this properly. Now I'll add some chopped fresh coriander. This will enhance the color as well as the flavor of this dish. Now I'll keep this tawa on this flame. And now we can remove this topping. Now we'll place our topping over our bread slices. In the similar manner, we'll prepare rest of our toast. Now our toast is ready. Switch off the flame and I'll remove this on a chopping board. So our soya sausages on toast are ready. A very good option for vegetarians to enjoy sausages.